Immerse yourself in the Spanish culinary scene with the Tortilla Española, a delightful blend of simplicity and flavor. This thick Spanish omelet combines eggs, potatoes, and onions in a hearty dance of textures and tastes. Begin with the mise en place, preparing the onions and potatoes for their golden fry. As they soften and caramelize, whisk your eggs to perfection, their yolks a sunny promise of what's to come. Combine these ingredients, allowing them to marry in the pan. The result? A thick, luscious omelet. Its surface delicately browned, its insides tender and flavorful. Traditionally, tortilla española is served cold as a tapa. But for breakfast, it's a warm invitation to start the day. Packed with protein and carbohydrates, it fuels your morning, transporting you to the vibrant streets of Spain with every bite. So whisk, fry, flip, and enjoy the culinary journey that is the tortilla española. A dish that proves yet again that the simplest ingredients often make the most delicious meals. Welcome to Spain, one bite at a time.